Clearing your search history on Robinhood can help maintain your privacy and declutter your account. Follow these steps to remove your search history effectively. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the Account tab. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings and options. Step 3. Access the Settings menu. In the Account tab, look for the Settings gear icon, usually found in the top right corner. Tap on it to open the Settings menu. Step 4. Find the Search History option. Scroll through the Settings menu until you find the option related to privacy or search history. Select this option to view your search history settings. Step 5. Clear your search history. Once you are in the search history settings, look for the option to clear or delete your search history. Confirm your choice to remove the history from your account. By following these steps, you can successfully clear your search history on Robinhood. Regularly managing your search history can help maintain your privacy and improve your user experience.